Hey planner people, back here with another unboxing. This one is probably going to be the second to the last unboxing of the year. So if you're getting sick of unboxings, hang in there. It's almost done. I think the next one I'll be doing will be my Hobonichi haul, if I ever get the order put in. And then that should be it for unboxings for this year. But this one is another order from Notique, and I just wanted to show you, this is my last Notique order, I think. So I want to show you what I got. And this has been sitting around. I just kind of had a hard time gearing up for this unboxing because I'm really thinking about changing up my entire planning system for 2022. So these may actually be getting sold almost as soon as, you know, I get them unboxed. So we'll see. All right. So, you know, Notique had their anniversary and they did a bunch of releases. Kind of did it in stages. Let me get all this out of the box. Okay, they did their releases for their anniversary in stages. So this is like my third order. And I think this is probably the final order. So again, I get a nice little card from the founder. Or not a card really, it's just a little note. They sent me one of these cool clips again, these paper clips that kind of look like a rose. And let's see what's in here. Ta-da! All right. I have a feeling that when I open these, I'm going to be super sad that I'm going out of rings for 2022. So, anyway, here we go. Let's do this one. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I really like their ring planners. I typically don't gravitate towards Saffiano type leathers. I saw this red one and I went nuts and I was obsessed with getting it. It's very beautiful. Let me see if I can, my lighting is so crappy. Anyway, it's red. It's got gold hardware. There's still plastic on the little logo. And inside we have our Notique wing pocket, which is her signature. A little card. Notique is stamped in gold. And then our usual card pockets. Secretarial pocket and slip pocket. So there's also a slip pocket on this side. So that is gorgeous. These are 30mm rings, which I love. Oh, how am I gonna resist this? Okay, so let's see what's in the other one. Oh, I love this one so much. This has become my favorite pattern, this pink lizard. And thankfully I own a ton of stuff in it. I've got this personal size now. I've got a B6 zip cover. I've got a cover for the weeks. And I've got a pencil case all in this pattern. Matter of fact, here's my weeks cover. It's really my favorite. Again, this has rose gold on it actually. So here we go with the same layout as the red one. It just has rose gold hardware and the foiling is rose gold and the little logo on the closure. It's beautiful. So sad I'm going to be mixing it up for 2022, which is going to be a completely different video, but yeah, I thought this would be a really nice Christmas color. So that's it, kind of a brief unboxing. Like I said, I think I'm going in a different direction. So these may be going to new homes very shortly. So I will be talking about that in another video, and probably be doing a flip through of my rings that I used for September very soon. Like, I'm on vacation next week, so it's probably going to be next week. But until then, thanks for dropping by, and I promise I'm not going to annoy you with too many more unboxings this year. It's going to be probably just one more, like I said, for the Hobonichi haul, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.